Pag sinabing cup, paunahan kung sino yung makakakuha ng cup. Okay? O, practice muna. Wala pa. Balik na, balik. Wala pa, sample pa lang yung sample. Sample pa lang. Okay, sample pa lang. Balik kayo. Balik. Anak, balik kayo. Okay, nakasabi lang. Okay, are you ready? Okay, pag sinabing cup, paunahan, tambutin ang kapot.
Wala pa!
Trial. Okay. Head,
Head, ate, head!
shoulder, knees, head, shoulder,
Head, wala
head.
pa!
Asan to yung head? Asan yung head? Nawawala. Nakakabit pa ba yung head? Ayan, tawakin yung head. Baka mula. Shoulder, head.
Tama, tama!
Ayan, okay. Trial lang yun. Trial. O, ibalik. O, trial. Totoo na to, ha? Totoo na. Okay, totoo na. Concentrate. Okay. Head. Shoulder. Knees. O, huwag mo lang yun ko pag wala pa yung knees. Head. Straight body. Marunong na silang mag-technique eh. Shoulder. Nawawala yung shoulder. Head.